So this is the same price rejection on one instance. This is the second instance of it. This is the third instance of it. So this is applicable for any asset class. So when it's saying bottom 2, bottom 3, and bottom 1, which is back here, the reason that it's saying that is this is the third time in a row that it's happened to where it's hit the same price. Now, it's not very common to see 3 bottoms at the same price of rejection. Seeing it twice, that's pretty common. And it can happen in reverse as well, meaning that it can be 2 tops. So in the sense that, okay, it got to this high price and then it got to the same high price again, but it couldn't go over that. That would be an indicator to the downside. Okay, so what does all that mean essentially? Well, the fact that we've gotten rejected 3 times now at this point, that tells me that we're probably going to go ahead and have a correction to the positive. So how do we measure what the potential improvement is going to be? Well, it's pretty simple. What we're going to do is we're going to take the measurement of the bottom to the top. And now I'm just going to take that same measurement, copy and paste. And that tells us that bond pricing should at least recover and get back to this level. Okay, well, what does that level mean as far as interest rates go? When in doubt, zoom out. So if we get back to that point, well, that's going to put us at bond pricing sitting around 91, 92. Well, interest rates, when it was at 91, 92, we were almost back into the 4s when it comes to government loans like FHA, VA. For conventional, we were in the high 5s, even the mid 5s. So I'm not saying that we're going to go back to 2 or 3% anytime soon. The good news is that we've been rejected now 3 times, which means a reversal to the upside. Now, if you've watched any of the previous rate update videos, I've been mentioning a very specific date was going to be an important date, and that's when we're going to see our catalyst one way or the other, good or bad. And that date was the 15th. And so sure enough, we got to that date. What happened? We completely fell out of the triangle altogether, right? So we were stuck in it, and then fell out completely, right? This is good news, and this is leading up to be a complete reversal. Okay, last but not least, remember I always look at the other indicators, and I want to see, is there more than one thing saying yay or nay, right? And there is. The momentum, remember, every time it crosses, that's when it changes direction. When it crosses on the bottom, price goes up. When it crosses on the top, price goes down. Well, it looks like it was almost ready to cross to go to the upside. Okay, so maybe not today. The point is, it's going to go ahead and make a reversal. So that's positive as well. Number 2, RSI, essentially price confidence, overbought or oversold. Right now, everyone is selling the bond, which means when everyone's selling, it's typically a good time to go ahead and buy. If we look at the entire picture, price rejection 3 times, same level, 1, 2, and 3. Momentum looks to be reversing soon. The price confidence, everyone is selling. All this adds up to be the probability of rates getting better sooner than later. It's probably on the horizon and hopefully soon.